Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit which is not a mecha robot or a humanoid mecha or robot, something like that. And this is in the form of a helicopter, and this was released by Kotobukiya from the anime Ghost in the Shell. And this is none other than the Jigabachi AV. So the Jigabachi AV here is one of the adversaries of the main units from the show, the Takikomas. And I really like how this chopper appears, and this is really a realistic model here. That's why I had an interest to buy this and include it in my collection. To be honest, this is my first non-robot or non-humanoid mecha robot collection, something like that. I don't know how to describe these robots, maybe just robots or mecha. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. So this is the Jigabachi AV 172 scale full action plastic model kit, and this is from the Ghost in the Shell standalone complex, or the SAC second GIG, and this is released by Kotobukiya, and it says here it's illustrated by Mercy Rabbit, modeling by Kotobukiya. So this is very nice. It's a really sinister looking machine, and it looks really like a Terminator type of mecha or machine, something like that. And we can see it is shooting the Takikomas here, which is the main weapon or main machine where the protagonist rides. It's like a spider like looking jumping robot, something like that. And there we can see the bee sting machine gun or Gatling gun outbursting this pest here. And you can see in the side of the box we can see the Jigabachi aerial view, and it has a 3 Takikomas included in this kit. But honestly, I don't like building this because these are very small and I don't have interest in building these pieces here. I'll just keep this set aside. And there we can see the accessories for this kit. It has a missile pods and a rocket, 4 rockets on the wing, and it has a wheel deployed whenever you want to put it on a landing gear mode. And there the sting or the bee sting Gatling gun, because it looks like, to be honest, it looks like the body of a bee. And on the other side we can see this machine here. I'm not familiar with this machine, and I think this is one of the enemy units also from that show. And this looks like a scorpion tank, something like that. So let's open this box here. I have here my customized Big O, because I changed his hands into a Kotobukiya MSG knuckles. But honestly, these are not Kotobukiya. It's an imitation from a Chinese brand from Kotobukiya. So if we open the box here, we can see, yes, the instruction manual, and yes, we have the picture same as what we saw in the box art. And if we open the box, the manual here, we can see the Jigabachi and the Takikoma suits here. And there the features same as what we saw on the side of the box, and the mechanism from the fictional mechanism from the anime. So we got rockets there, missile launchers, and there the parts list is not so much. To be honest, this is not a hard build. This is an easy kit to build, and most of the parts here are for the takicomas included, which I don't have an interest to build, as I told you before. And we got this standard Kotobukiya stand, which is very nice. And judging how the Jigabachi instruction here, it's not a complicated build. It's very easy. It's just there are so many small parts. And there we got this Takikoma, which has also a numerous small parts. And there you can see here the color guide if you want to paint the kit by yourself. So let's check the parts. We got mostly gray parts, so I remember the last time I built the I forgot that, the gun head. Yes, the gun head. It's also gray, so it's my this would be a better pair for my gun head. So these are mostly gray parts. This is the rotor for the chopper, and there we got the small pieces here for the parts details. Then we got this Takikoma parts here, which I don't have an interest to build because this is really boring to build, I presume, and most of the parts are small and they are monochromatic. There are no other color modes to contrast the blue Takikoma. And we got this dark gray parts here for, I think this one for the wheels and for the rotor of the Jigabachi. And also we got one Takikoma set here. Then we got this polycaps. We got polycaps here, and parts for the action base stand. So this is the generic action base for the Kotobukiyas, and it says here Ghost in the Shell standalone complex. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. Let's start with this single dark gray colored runner here, which is the runner D for the rotor parts, and some wheels there, and the Beasting Gatling gun there. And we got this the biggest of them, the chunky parts for the chopper body, which is runner A, and these are all gray parts. You can see here in the runner that this was released by Kotobukiya from year 2007. So this is a bit old kit. So this is 27. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, Kotobukiya 2007. Okay. And we got this second to the large runner, which is runner B. There, these are all gray. Then we got this two sets of runner C here, gray parts. Okay. Then we got this rotor, and finally we got these gray polycaps. And For the Takikoma, we got this blue runner here. So these are identical, and one runner will make one Takikoma. So we got 3 of this, and I got this one here, the Takikoma parts. To be honest, I don't like building this. I hate that this Takikoma is this small, and I might buy the Wave version of that, the Wave Company Takikoma, which is a 124 scale. So it's much bigger than this 172 scale. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing, and see you next time in the review of this Kotobukiya Jigabachi AV from Ghost in the Shell. Yep, this is it.